Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how we can add transitions in your video in VideoShow. So all you want to do is click edit, then clip edit, and now press, trim or no trim, split, like here, okay. And now I have two videos. Now what I want to do is just click here in edit mode transitions, and now you have multiple transitions like fade and or draw or cross. See, let's see the fade. So this is pretty cool, and you have many of them like flash. Flash is really great transition. Let's see it. This is pretty cool transition. So this is how we can do it, and this is how we got multiple transitions in Video Master. In VideoShow. So that's kind of it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And yeah, thank you everybody. Have a great day and see you in the next video.